My people, no be smart, they say that Asari, Dokubo and Tompolo is about to go down. E don red. The youth for inside Niger Delta region, they don't come outside, come speak out, say to carry gun, don't tire them. He say instead of Asari, Dokubo and Tompolo and co, where they claim say that they collect contract, they protect their own oil wey they get. Say make they collect contract, they big companies, make they work inside. See as e start right now, say they no fit carry gun again. Go dey fight for different places. He went ahead and said that a lot of youth of this Asari Dokubo security don buy for inside Igbo land. Some don buy for the northern part. Say nobody dey take care of their family. E don read though, things are really happening. As that one dey happen for the other hand though, now they say that one Hausa man, if you see old full at 50, go know. Say a young man speak out say wetin dey happen for Nigeria e don too much. Say make foreign country come help. In dey call for DSS to arrest that young man wey talk this thing. You see these people wey dey their 50s to 60 to 70, in fact from 45 go up, they get problem. They need to check them very well. So abeg, I wan play these videos for una more watch. As they watch, make sure say they share am so other people go get information on how it dey happen.
So guys, Nigerian youth are finally waking up. Asari Dokubo, this is a message to you. Let's listen to this young man.
Asari Dokubo, youth don't tire to carry gun. Na company work.
I swear.
We don't tire for this security work to carry gun to go and die for Igbo land, to go and die for northern states. We don't tire. Since from 2000, 2001, thousands of youth don't die for.
But this is not funny.
Now again, 2003, 2004. 2024, 2023, you don't come again say you don't collect contract for government. The contract now waiting to still carry gun. Only this year, 2005, thousands of youth don't die, especially River State youth, Bayelsa youth. We don't tire for all now. You don't carry youth make money. You don't monetize thousands of youth life. Many don't die. The people will die 2003, 2004, 2005, 7. No compensation, their family nothing. Many their family no head. It don't come again. 2023.
We are tired.
Till now.
Niger Delta youths are tired. Asari, you can hear it.
He reached to build company. Asari, build company. Make we work. Youth don't tire to carry guns for you.
Nigeria is waking up.
The amama we now they carry the key youth. I want make you go enter your bedroom, think. You go allow your children to carry gun. You no go allow you no go even allow your children gun to go close to them. They destroy people life. River State youth we don't tire. Many of us we don't wise. We no go fit try that thing with on again. Make an try build company, make we work, make you to work under on a company, on a wicked.
This is so heartbreaking. Let's listen to this young
man. On a wicked. On a son, they fight for Niger Delta.
Let's listen to this young man.
While they don't show for everywhere, say na for our pocket. On I want make the Calabar youth, River State youth. When you shit finish, make them come wash and yash. Now that I go say youth need company. Say no be say na go no be gun they won't carry. You know the pity youth. Millions of youth don't die. Current now thousands don't die. See not. Waiting consign us with waiting they do for not there. Nigerian military no dig in. Our youth because of hungry, no food, no work. They risk their life every day. They die for that north. They die for East Igbo land. Pity for youth now. Pity for youth. If you want security work, make you go carry the gun now. Go front. Tie a besu, tie everything. Go the north. Go shoot. Leave youth alone. Youth don't tire. Now when you kill the youth, then finish. Now you go no say yes, you go rest. You go feel create any human being. My brother. Nemesis go catch you up. Now just a due time, Nemesis go catch you up. If you no change, Nemesis go catch you up. If you no change, the money where you don't get, big company, make people work. Then the people that don't die, through this amama, go for their families, compensate them. If not, their blood go follow you till anywhere you go till end of time. Now the only thing we are go tell you, if you get ear, listen. If you no get ear, continue.
Guys, while I don't start, there is a very big problem between Asari Dokubo and the Tompolo. Very big war between Asari Dokubo and Tompolo. In fact, may now watch this video to the end and don't forget to share it. Problem now don't start between Asari Dokubo and Tompolo. May now watch this video to the end and don't forget to share it.
You can't kill everybody. That is the truth. You are in Abuja. You can't kill everybody. When the people rise up, you can't kill them. If they respect themselves, does not mean that they are weak.
Share this video, guys.
My name is Alabo Al-Aji Oduboyi Benuel. I'm a chief and a leader in Akidama community. This issue is concerning the provocative actions taken by Tantita company in our land. This is an invasion that we are going to resist. We are not going to take it low. Thank you. This action, letting the entire world to know that Akidama belongs to our late father. Captain, thinking of the time he was in the community. Such as make claim. Meanwhile, there is a natural boundary between Bukuma and Akidama. We were told of Antita, an oil surveillance company, and to build security posts without letting us know, without our consent or permission. So on Sunday, we mobilized our women to there. So they went there, found it, and they reacted and destroyed the entire construction to prove to the world that that community belongs to us. And it was built beside where oil was seven. That also belongs to the community. We are now letting the security agencies in the state, even at national level, to be aware of what Tantita is doing. They are invading our community. They maltreated and tortured the women on Sunday afternoon. Because after much pressure, they released them, allowed them to go. And we've just heard that they are making an attempt to start construct the security post again, even as we express displeasure. And we are by this telling them that there is no way we allow them to do such a thing in our community without knowing why and the reason. The earlier the government intervene, the better for it. Otherwise, what will happen may trigger something that will affect not only Riverside, maybe even Niger Delta. So we are appealing to government and security agencies, DSS, the police, even the army, to intervene and find out the truth for peace to reign.
It's quite unfortunate that this thing is happening in Calabar land. Really, really unfortunate. We have not been insulted the way we have been insulted recently. When people restrain themselves does not mean that they cannot have it. You go into somebody's land, you trespass, you erect structures, women came, you brutalize the women. And then you go back to start erecting the structures again. What you are looking for anarchy. Akidama is not the only community. First,
My people, it's very funny. Somebody are taking your something and make you a security to guide wetin dem dey steal from you. Very funny. And give you part of money, just part of the money, then use some and go and enrich themselves, and you are busy carrying gun come out on social media talking nonsense. Are you not a fool at 40? Abeg, let us listen to this Hausa man wetin him talk before we go come back. Come go inside APC more na see the kind country wey we dey. How this woman take him mouth dey talk say they go do anything, say PDP go hold power come 2027. Just imagine. Watch the video.
So good afternoon, my fellow Nigerians. We see somebody from the east that he said Donald Trump is coming to kill the whole north. It's a surprise issue. Do you think we are not we are afraid of death? Death is nothing. Now who is Donald Trump? And you even make the whole prison of Nigeria, you say Donald Trump will hold his neck. The whole prison of Nigeria. And DSS watch this person. They cannot arrest him. If this person is from the north, the majority are speaking Hausa, but the Hausa speak frequently, we know he's an Igbo man. It's not from the north. No northerners can speak that say Donald Trump is coming to kill the whole north. It's not possible. And he even said they are prepared to share the country. But Mr. Man, you know the sharing the country is not an easy something. Why must you make that nonsense? And you're a small boy. You're just a small boy. A little person looking what to eat. If you want to follow us, don't use our prison and say Donald Trump will hold you. Call the Donald Trump to come and hold Netanyahu. Let him come, or you call Netanyahu to come and to hold Tinubu. You are very stupid, honestly. I am not happy with what you said. And you talk like stark illiterate. You doesn't talk sense at all. How can you say you are president and you are in Nigeria? Even if you don't proud to be in Nigeria, but now you are in Nigeria. And tomorrow morning you are in Nigeria. How can you criticize your president? It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. If he's not doing fine, tell him, Mr. President, you are not doing fine for the country. But don't mention another country that they are coming to arrest a president. On what ground? On what? That is nonsense. It doesn't make sense. And DSS, all security agents should go after this person and arrest him. Because that thing is a wrong sign of signal.
We're going to war in 2027. That's what I tell you. It's going to be war. Head-on war. PDP must go. Whatever they want to do, whatever they want to try, whatever tricks, all powers belong to God. But we're going to beg God. And we're going to fight them. Whatever they have in the state, we have at the federal level. We have money. They have money in the state. We have money in the federal level. We have all the support we need. We're not going to be intimidated. So let them get ready for us. We are ready.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As now, don't watch that video. The video you hear that was man talking. Watch this guy in the front of that man. That is who that man is referring to. I think that guy make a video talking of what is happening in Nigeria, how Donald Trump, the foreign countries should invade Nigeria, how should divide Nigeria, should make sure that they put an stop to this terrorist government. And this is what this particular man, who even abused Tinubu, look at what he turned back to say on social media. For you to see the kind of people you call leaders. This one now, you're going to count him as a leader or Adrara and Majiri. Could they imagine? I want to share this video. When I divide this country, make everybody carry in chair go in Papa house. We don't dey talk am now. Na say na politics, na play matter. When you go start, everybody go hear. Oh.